ਪਰੇ ਜਾ ਪਰੇ ਪਰੇ ਉਹ ਭਰਾ ਜੀ ਕੀ ਆ
ਵਾਹਿਗੁਰੂ ਜੀ ਕਾ ਖਾਲਸਾ ਵਾਹਿਗੁਰੂ ਜੀ ਕੀ ਫਤਿਹ।
Yes, they're definitely coming up. They have a function.
यार मैं मुझे पता नहीं अरे जो बाबा चला Anybody with a Marshall jacket? Forget it.
On the road to the A road, you'll find cars going 70 miles an hour. You must give clear hand signals. You must give clear hand signals at all times. You must look left, you must look right. Especially at roundabouts, over the years I've realised that many people just think it's a little white boy just ran town. Some vehicles and cars going very fast. You must, and for the younger lads as well.
Tengo speaker out.
गुरु साहब जी के 450 बंदे चार गुप्त शहीदा मरीजा चार खड़ी जड़े बंद करवाए ले गए बैठे महापुरखा गुरु शहीदा सिंह वाली कमाई का ध्यान करके बोलना श्री वाहिगुरू गुरुद्वारे सुधार देखा क्योंकि यहाँ झंडे पंगे चुको जो धर्म का जयकार खालसे बोलना श्री वाहिगुरू 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 सिखा न मानी व मत की मत पत कर रखा आप अकाल पुरख वाहिगुरू ये अकाल पुरख वाहिगुरू जी अपने पांते सदा सहाय दतार जी समूह गुरद्वारे प्रधान मन सेवा संभाल से बख्शी दिदा गदा अपने प्यारे खालसा यूनिवर्सिटी ये निवाणिया के मान ताने तान दोटियां दो मेहरबान दयावान वक्त भंडारण दाता जी आप जी ओट लेंदे होए आप आसरा लेंदे होए दाता जी आप जी सिख फलवाड़ी दाता जी आप दे बाल बच्चे SCYS ਦੀ ਹਵਾਈ ਹੱਡ ਦਾ ਜੋ ਤੇਰੇ ਭਾਣੇ ਰਵਾ ਦਾ ਬਲਾ ਵਾਹਿਗੁਰੂ ਜੀ ਕਾ ਖਾਲਸਾ ਵਾਹਿਗੁਰੂ ਜੀ ਕੀ ਫਤਿਹ ਸੋਨਿਹਾ ਸ੍ਰੀ ਅਕਾਲ ਬੋਲੇ
Okay, go.
Where's none?
None. Oh my
Come back.
Watch the car going past.
Thank you, Jess. That's good. Stop, break, please, break.
I'm not getting in front of you.
The hardcore people I want to film. No, you got on the main A road, the trucks are going past the 70. You know? I don't want to.
Right!
Don't give a shit about it.
You'd have to see it as well. I was actually told it. Would you? Yeah.
Pretty much such a lot. Whenever I try to speak to him, he can't go, oh, I've got work to do, I've work to do.
Is that Cuddy?
Him.
Hi, come. Because what happened was my little kid was not feeling well, man. So I had to come back after 3 days. Can you believe it?
You lie!
Seriously.
Oh, fuck, you with some money in it.
Got it, man. But you know, the little kid was feeling bad. Yeah.
Was he here in Birmingham? Huh? You left him behind?
I left my home.
Take him with you?
No, I left him at home.
What's up, you saying?
Well, to be honest, I think there's too many people in the van.
Too many what? Hang on. There's too much what?
Too many people.
I'll tell you what's really motivated this man here.
Yes.
This
I have been
all the way from London.
Mr. Motivate.
I've come all the way from
Reject.
London to do this pipeline.
This Rummy reject here.
He must be very
Let's
bad to
say
get
one thing.
rejected.
No, on a serious point of view, I think Villa lost. I think Aston Villa next year.
We'll lose the game.
We'll lose 2 or 3 players. We might probably
We'll lose a game.
But I think football is very important for the youngsters of this world. In fact, actually, nobody takes interest in football.
Yeah. Take interest in what?
In football. Aston Villa. Oh, that's it.
You're talking like a true
Did you sleep
leader.
last night?
Huh?
Did you sleep last night?
Who?
You?
Me?
Yeah.
Did I see who last night? No, what?
Sleep.
I don't sleep.
Hola, scandal शुरू कर लेंगे वही. Let's see who last night.
To the camera, you know what?
I'd just like to say on behalf of riders here, right? Mandy Brady, my dear friend.
He's not even a rider.
Mandy,
Don't say it,
my
don't say
dear
it.
friend,
Don't say it, it's coming on TV.
dear friend, right? Is doing absolutely brilliantly, right? In every bike ride, he's just
You're
kicked
taking
it.
over.
He's totally kicked it.
You're taking over.
He's totally kicked it.
August bike ride.
Right.
I'm taking the back seat.
And Uncle G here hasn't even made our day. Just totally brilliant.
Where's he going? Grab it, grab it.
Uncle G over here. Uncle G over here. Camera shy. You've been run over.
Doesn't look camera shy. Photogenic.
It just depends which way you want to go. Soho Road.
Which way you want to go?
Soho Road. McDonald's.
One cheesecake.
What person? Have you got a choice?
No.
So we got McDonald's.
You've got to go which way, I'll tell you.
I need to look up to we're all going together. अब बाल्टियाँ कितनी है collection आनी है बाल्टियाँ
She's got a ball
बाल्टियाँ हम दो
बाल्टियाँ
Okay, good day.
कौन है
back here! Come back here! Interview!
No! No!
Go on, please!
You can't interview me.
Smile your candid camera.
If it wasn't come international.
So how do you think it's going so far, Suk?
Brilliant. Excellent. Fantastic.
How many bucks in the road? 1. How many bucks in the track? 50!
All the bikes are broken out. Lucky, yeah?
The video of truck as well.
Lucky.
Full of bike.
Hey! Suk, what's in the blue van? A pallet of Raljicks. A pallet of Raljicks.
Oh yeah.
See that GTA on the truck? It says Gurdwara Transport Association.
I can think of a few words it means.
We are a brilliant diary, mate.
Running away.
Nice.
Sorry, okay?
Beautiful.
Yeah, we're ready to go now. Go to the
Well, hold that sign up. Hold that sign up.
Which one you want, McDonald's?
Is that a McDonald's one? We'll give that to Mukkan.
We'll give it to Muppet, definitely.
Yeah, and he knows exactly where to go.
Well,
If he gets
obviously.
lost, he is going to take the McDonald's.
But don't you reckon the event has been totally brilliantly organised by our man here?
Oh,
What about the 6th year running?
Commander in Chief.
And no one seems to have a clue what they're doing once again.
Hey, it's me. Hey, hey. Oh, come on, smile. It can't be that bad.
Still got a sore ass, that's what it is. Well, we've done the last bit.
Well, I hope it's from riding the bike.
Move it. He's in town. Man, they really get shitty when you're in town.
Loji. Oh, okay, get your backside. Oi.
Come on, SB, come on.
ਜਾਂਦਾ ਹੈ, ਜਿਨ੍ਹਾਂ ਨੇ ਬਹੁਤ ਕਾਫੀ ਮਿਹਨਤ ਕੀਤੀ। ਕਾਫੀ ਤਿਆਰੀ ਵਿੱਚ ਵੀ ਛੋਟਾ ਜਿਹਾ ਪ੍ਰੋਗਰਾਮ ਕਰ ਲਓ, ਤਿਆਰੀ ਕਰਨ ਬਹੁਤ ਜ਼ਿਆਦਾ ਟਾਈਮ ਲੱਗਦਾ, ਕਈ ਮਹੀਨਿਆਂ ਤੋਂ। ਬੌਸ ਜਥੇਬੰਦੀ ਦੇ ਸਿੰਘ, ਯੂਥ ਸਰਵਿਸਿਜ਼ ਤੇ ਖਾਲਸਾ ਹਿਊਮਨ ਰਾਈਟ ਲੀਫਲੇਟ ਬਣਦਿਆਂ, ਪੇਪਰਾਂ ਵਿੱਚ ਵੀ ਇਸ਼ਤਿਹਾਰ, ਰੇਡੀਓ ਤੋਂ ਵੀ ਐਡਵਰਟਾਈਜ਼ ਕਰਦੇ ਹਾਂ। ਜਿਹੜਾ ਪਿੱਛੇ ਆਪਣਾ ਬਰਮਿੰਘਮ ਵਿੱਚ ਮੇਲਾ ਵੀ ਲੱਗਾ ਸੀ, ਉੱਥੇ ਯੂਥ ਸਰਵਿਸਿਜ਼, ਸਿੱਖ ਯੂਥ ਸਰਵਿਸਿਜ਼, ਖਾਲਸਾ ਹਿਊਮਨ ਰਾਈਟਸ ਤੇ ਕਾਫੀ ਨੌਜਵਾਨ ਵੀ ਉੱਥੇ ਇਹ ਬਾਈਕ ਰਾਈਡ ਦਾ ਕਾਫੀ ਉਪਰਾਲਾ ਕੀਤਾ, ਸਾਰਿਆਂ ਨੂੰ ਉੱਥੇ ਦੱਸਿਆ ਤੇ ਬੇਨਤੀ ਵੀ ਕਾਫੀ ਲੀਡਰ ਬਣ ਕੇ ਕੀਤੀ ਵੀ ਸਾਰੇ ਆਪਾਂ ਵਿੱਚ ਹਿੱਸਾ ਪਾਈਏ। ਸੋ ਸਾਰਿਆਂ ਨੌਜਵਾਨਾਂ ਦਾ ਕਾਫੀ ਮਿਹਨਤ ਨਾਲ ਮੈਂ ਵੀਰਾਂ ਨੇ ਅਰੇਂਜਮੈਂਟ ਕੀਤੀ ਆ। ਰਾਹ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਸੇਫਟੀ, ਚਾਹੇ ਮੈਡੀਕਲ ਦੀ ਤੇ ਇੰਤਜ਼ਾਮ ਵੀ ਬਹੁਤ ਵਾਧੂ ਸੀਗਾ। ਕਾਫੀ ਬਹੁਤ ਸੋਹਣਾ ਪ੍ਰਬੰਧ ਕੀਤਾ ਹੋਇਆ ਸੀਗਾ, ਦੇਖ ਕੇ ਮਨ ਬਹੁਤ ਖੁਸ਼ ਹੋਇਆ। ਛੋਟੇ ਛੋਟੇ ਬੱਚਿਆਂ ਤੋਂ ਲੈ ਕੇ ਨੌਜਵਾਨਾਂ ਤੱਕ ਬਹੁਤ ਸੋਹਣਾ ਇੰਤਜ਼ਾਮ ਵੀ ਸੀਗਾ, ਖਾਣ ਪੀਣ ਦਾ ਵੀ, ਤੇ ਸਾਰਿਆਂ ਨੂੰ ਇਕੱਠੇ ਗਰੁੱਪ ਵਿੱਚ ਜਿੱਦਾਂ ਆਏ ਹਾਂ। ਸੋ ਫਿਰ ਸਾਰਿਆਂ ਦਾ ਬਹੁਤ ਬਹੁਤ ਧੰਨਵਾਦ ਕੀਤਾ ਜਾਂਦਾ ਹੈ। ਉੱਪਰਲੇ ਹਾਲ ਵਿੱਚ ਖਾਲਸਾ ਹਿਊਮਨ ਰਾਈਟ ਦੀ ਨੁਮਾਇਸ਼ ਵੀ ਲੱਗੀ ਹੋਈ ਹੈ ਤੇ ਸਿੱਖ ਮਿਊਜ਼ੀਅਮ ਵੀ ਉੱਤੇ ਸਥਾਪਿਤ ਇਸ ਗੁਰਦੁਆਰੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਕੀਤਾ ਹੋਇਆ, ਤੇ ਉਹ ਵੀ ਖੁੱਲ੍ਹਾ ਹੈ। ਸਾਰਿਆਂ ਸਿੰਘਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਬੇਨਤੀ ਹੈ, ਆਪਾਂ ਸਾਰਿਆਂ ਨੇ ਉਹ ਦੇਖ ਕੇ ਜਾਣਾ ਹੈਗਾ। ਤੇ ਜਿੰਨੀ ਵੀ ਸਾਰੀ ਮਾਇਆ ਸਪਾਂਸਰਸ਼ਿਪ, ਚਾਹੇ ਸਟੇਜ ਦੀ ਜਿਹੜੀ ਇਸ ਵੇਲੇ ਹੈਗੀ ਆ, ਉਹ ਸਾਰੀ ਮਾਇਆ ਸ਼ਹੀਦਾਂ ਦੇ ਪਰਿਵਾਰ ਵਾਸਤੇ, ਖਾਲਸਾ ਹਿਊਮਨ ਵਾਸਤੇ ਤੇ ਸਿੱਖ ਯੂਥ ਸਰਵਿਸਿਜ਼ ਵਾਸਤੇ ਸਾਰਿਆਂ ਨੂੰ ਹਿੱਸੇ ਦੇ ਹਿਸਾਬ ਨਾਲ ਦਿੱਤੀ ਜਾਊਗੀ। ਸੋ ਇਹ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਵੀ ਸਾਰਿਆਂ ਦਾ ਬਹੁਤ ਧੰਨਵਾਦ ਕੀਤਾ ਜਾਂਦਾ ਹੈ। ਗੁਰੂ ਕਾ ਲੰਗਰ ਵੀ ਚੱਲ ਰਿਹਾ ਹੈ, ਆਪਾਂ ਉਹ ਵੀ ਛਕ ਕੇ ਜਾਣਾ, ਆਪਾਂ ਉੱਦਾਂ ਕਿਸੇ ਨੇ ਨਹੀਂ ਜਾਣਾ। ਪਹਿਲਾਂ ਆਪਾਂ ਉੱਥੇ ਨੁਮਾਇਸ਼ ਦੇਖ ਕੇ ਚਾਹੇ ਜੇ ਸਿੰਘਾਂ ਨੇ ਕਿਸੇ ਨੂੰ ਲੰਗਰ ਪਹਿਲਾਂ ਛਕ ਸਕਦੇ ਹਾਂ, ਤੇ ਉਹ ਵੀ ਆਪਾਂ ਛਕਣਾ ਹੈਗਾ। ਤੇ ਹੁਣ ਮੈਂ ਬੇਨਤੀ ਕਰਦਾ ਵੀ ਸੁਖਵਿੰਦਰ ਸਿੰਘ ਜੀ ਉਹ ਵੀ ਕੁਛ ਮਿੰਟ ਵਾਸਤੇ ਸੰਗਤ ਦਾ ਧੰਨਵਾਦ ਕਰਕੇ। ਵਾਹਿਗੁਰੂ ਜੀ ਕਾ ਖਾਲਸਾ, ਵਾਹਿਗੁਰੂ ਜੀ ਕੀ ਫਤਿਹ।
ਗੁਰੂ ਸਾਹਿਬ ਸਾਧ ਸੰਗਤ ਜੀ, ਵਾਹਿਗੁਰੂ ਜੀ ਕਾ ਖਾਲਸਾ, ਵਾਹਿਗੁਰੂ ਜੀ ਕੀ ਫਤਿਹ। ਸਭ ਤੋਂ ਅਰਦਾਸ ਗੁਰੂ ਨਾਨਕ ਗੁਰਦੁਆਰਾ ਪ੍ਰਬੰਧਕ ਕਮੇਟੀ ਦਾ ਤਹਿ ਦਿਲ ਤੋਂ ਧੰਨਵਾਦੀ ਆ, ਜਿਨ੍ਹਾਂ ਲੰਗਰ ਦੀ ਤਿਆਰੀ ਅਤੇ ਹੋਰ ਵੀ ਸਾਨੂੰ ਨੌਜਵਾਨ ਉਤਸ਼ਾਹ ਨਾਲ ਇੱਥੇ ਰਿਸੀਵ ਕੀਤਾ। ਦਾਸ ਕੁਛ ਮਿੰਟ ਨੌਜਵਾਨਾਂ ਦੇ ਨਾਲ ਵਿਚਾਰ ਸਾਂਝੇ ਕਰੂਗਾ। On behalf of the Sikh Community and Youth Service and also Khalsa Human Rights, I'd like to thank all you riders. I think you've done a fantastic job, very, very fantastic job today. Although I wasn't riding with you, I was there with you in spirit. And it's tiring, that is. It really was tiring. I was thinking about you guys all the way. No, but I think you did a fantastic job. And especially these little ones. You know, it's brilliant, fantastic the way you've done something. And what you've done today, by riding on your bikes, you've collected money for those bereaved families, for those forgotten children. A lot of you youngsters weren't born in 1984. A lot of you were born after 1984. And what has happened to the Sikhs since June 1984? You'll see the exhibition upstairs, and you'll see what's happened. Little children like yourselves, during June 1984 in Birmingham, little children, 5, 6-year-olds, you know, who had gears on their head, they were told to line up in Harmandir. They were told to line up and then they were shot. The reason why they were shot was because they were Sikhs. In November 1984, in New Delhi, little children saw their fathers being burnt alive because they were Sikhs. And a lot of those children have grown up now, but they've got no mothers, they've got no fathers. A lot of the children got no brothers, no sisters. They're by themselves. They've got nobody to look after them. There are some families which have got brothers and sisters living together, young, but they've got no parents because their parents were murdered, they were killed. And today what we've done is we've raised money for those children to give them hope because they're ours. We're all Sikhs and there are Sikh brothers and sisters. It's our duty to look after them. And I think you should be grateful when you sit down within your hearts and think what you've done today. You have actually achieved a lot. You just haven't ridden from Birmingham to Leicester, but you brought that hope. For that one child who might be 8, 9, 12, 15-year-old, he's got nobody. He's probably there, starving, and doesn't think that nobody cares for them. But with your support, and when the money goes there, that child will be grateful. That person will be thankful, yes, there is somebody there looking out for me. There is somebody there who knows I exist. Khalsa Human Rights and Birmingham Sanctuary Fund. We look after over 350 families throughout the year. There's 350 families who receive money on a monthly basis. And we just don't promise and say we'll send the money. We have letters to show that the money has been received. Letters go to, as I've said, young children. Some of the people whose parents are no longer with them are 21, 22. Some of the girls who are at that age, they have to get married. There's nobody there to marry them off. There's no mother or father there who will give them away. Nobody to give them presents. And their only hope is by Enrique Sanctuary Fund. Where we do that, where we give the money. If their parents are not there, we are Sikhs, we stand in front instead of their parents and we're there. So that's what you've done today, you've done a tremendous lot. And I think words just can't thank you enough. Just can't thank you enough what you've done today. And I hope you all go upstairs today and have a look at the exhibition. By looking at the exhibition you'll see what's been happening to the Sikhs. We've suffered a lot, and we're all Sikhs, we're all part of a big family. So with those words, again, I'd like to thank you very, very much from the bottom of my heart, and also from everybody at Sikh Community Youth Service, from Khalsa Human Rights, and from Enrique Sanctuary Fund. And I'm sure I'd like to thank the organisers, British Organisation of Sikh Students, Mandeep Sanguradi, Minder Bal, and Inderjit. They've done a fantastic job. You might think, well, it can't be that much organisation. But Mandeep has been working very, very hard. He's worked very hard to get everything sorted out, to get the transport sorted out, to get the food sorted out. And he's done a tremendous job. So again, from the bottom of my heart, I'd like to thank you all. Waheguru Ji Ka Khalsa, Waheguru Ji Ki Fateh.
ਵਾਹਿਗੁਰੂ ਜੀ ਕਾ ਖਾਲਸਾ ਵਾਹਿਗੁਰੂ ਜੀ ਕੀ ਫਤਿਹ। ਇਹ ਸੰਤ ਸੁਖਵਿੰਦਰ ਸਿੰਘ ਜੀ ਜਿਨ੍ਹਾਂ ਨੇ ਸਾਰਿਆਂ ਦਾ ਧੰਨਵਾਦ ਕੀਤਾ ਹੈ। ਸੋ ਇਹਨਾਂ ਦਾ ਵੀ ਬਹੁਤ ਬਹੁਤ ਧੰਨਵਾਦ ਹੈ, ਇਹਨਾਂ ਨੇ ਵੀ ਕਾਫੀ ਸੇਵਾ ਵਿੱਚ ਹਿੱਸਾ ਪਾਇਆ ਹੈ। ਹੁਣ ਮੈਂ ਮਨਦੀਪ ਸਿੰਘ ਵਰਦੀ ਨੂੰ ਬੇਨਤੀ ਕਰਦਾ ਉਸ ਸਟੇਜ ਤੇ ਆ ਰਹੇ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਗੁਰਕਰ ਵੱਲੋਂ ਥੋੜੀ ਸੇਵਾ ਭੇਟ ਕਰਨੀ ਹੈਗੀ ਆ। ਮਨਦੀਪ ਸਿੰਘ ਵਰਦੀ।
बोले सो निहाल।
गुरकर वालों फंड विच पेश किया है। गुरकर का भी बहुत सेवा का बहुत धन्यवाद है। ये सारी माया जिदा दसा है भाई अमरीक सिंह शहीदी फंड खालसा ह्यूमन राइट ते सिख यूथ सर्विस वास्ते जानी है। हम प्रोग्राम की समाप्ति है, आनंद साहब का पाठ होगा। आप सारे की अरदास में शामिल होके फिर आप जाना है, भी तो आप नहीं जाना है। सो फिर सारे का बहुत सारे स्टूडेंट्स का सेवादार सारे का बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद है। सो आस इधर रखते भी खालसा ह्यूमन भाई अमरीक सिंह शहीदी फंड में चाहे सिख यूथ सर्विस सारे आप इदा ही गांव तो भी सहयोग देना है। कोई भी सिखा का मसला है आप सारे की जरूर सहयोग देना है। सो होइयां भुलां चुकां दी खिमा। वाहिगुरू जी का खालसा वाहिगुरू जी की फतेह।
सतनाम श्री वाहिगुरू।
Thank you. ਆਪਣੇ ਚਰਨ ਦੀ ਬੇਨਤੀ
Where do you want the firecrackers going? On the floor, this low?
Where?
Pollution, man. What are you ready for, man? Nobody knows this is for the marshals.
What the? Gotta come over. Come on, police, on the holler. Dig. Okay.
Straight to London. You've taken this wheel off before. Taking the front one off before. How come that one's the dead space and that one not also?
But you use the back brake.
When you want to refer to a picture, you say if you're talking about that picture, it's F5, you say picture F5, it's like that. That's the reason. Very cool down.
What's that?